Welcome to your Employee Benefits Overview video provided by 208 Benefits. The information provided in this video is to help you understand your benefit options, pricing, and how to complete your benefit elections prior to your open enrollment or new hire completion deadline. Please watch or share this video with anyone that helps you make your employee benefit decisions for you and your family. You can refer back to this video anytime during the benefit plan year. First, let's review your benefits and then walk through the features of your benefit information website. Legacy Wealth Management offers the following benefits to all benefit-eligible employees: medical insurance, short-term disability, life insurance, accident, dental, and vision insurance. Let's begin with the medical insurance plan. The insurance carrier is Allstate Benefits. You have two plan options available to you, Plan 1 and Plan 2. On this chart, you will see the network for each plan. Each plan has a choose any provider network, which means that you are not limited to a specific group of physicians. You can choose physicians that are the best fit for your family, yourself, based on convenience, based on cost, based on best quality of care. The plan types, you have a deductible first plan type and then a copay first plan type. We'll explain those a little bit further. Deductible first plans are HSA eligible plans, meaning that you can align a health savings account to that plan. The copay first plans are not HSA eligible plans. Each plan has its own separate deductible. As you see here, coinsurance is 30% in each plan. The out-of-pocket maximum differs by the plan choice. The out-of-pocket maximum is the most that you are at risk for financially during the 12-month benefit plan year. Primary doctor's visits, mental health and virtual doctor visits, hospitalization and outpatient surgery, and then prescription coverage. Please look at the benefit website for a full summary of benefits coverage that will disclose more details to each of the benefits plus more. Preventive examinations. All medical plan options, Plan 1 and 2, will cover at no cost to you specific medical exams, otherwise known as wellness exams. These include your annual physical, mammograms, specific blood screens, etc. Again, please review your benefit summary and your preventive plan guide for further information. The health savings account. This is a specialized, unique type of savings account which allows employees who have enrolled in an HSA eligible plan to set money aside to pay for future qualified healthcare expenses such as deductibles, coinsurance, prescriptions, as well as out-of-pocket dental and vision expenses. Again, you must be enrolled in an HSA eligible medical plan to start and contribute to a health savings account. You fund your plan through pre-tax payroll contributions, which reduces your paycheck payroll taxes, which is a benefit to you. You can also directly contribute to your HSA outside of payroll tax contributions if that's something that you also choose to do. If you are a W-2 employee, we do recommend taking advantage of setting up your contributions through payroll so that you can get the immediate tax break. The account is set up through your employer, but it is 100% owned by you, the employee. The funds do not expire. They roll over year to year. The balance continues to grow. HSA funds can also earn interest and be allocated to investment options that are available within the health savings account third-party administrator. The 2023 contribution maximums for the HSA is $38.50 for an individual, $77.50 for a family. That means 2+ members enrolled in the medical plan. And if you are age 55 and older, there is a catch-up contribution for you as well. So you add $1,000 to either the individual or family maximum. Also included in your Allstate medical plan is the virtual care. This is telehealth. The provider is MeMD. MeMD allows you to connect to a licensed provider 24/7, 365 for minor illnesses, minor injuries, as well as behavioral and mental health needs. Here's basically some examples of some of the urgent care for minor illnesses and injuries, as well as talk therapy available within the platform. The best news to this is that if you look back at the summary or your benefits summary online, if you are in the copay first plan, this is a $0 cost to you to access MeMD. If you are in the HSA plan, it's a $30 per visit access fee. Accessing your member ID card and plan information specific to you. So we recommend that everybody that is enrolled in the plan also register as a member on the Allied portal. Allied is the administrator for your Allstate group medical plan. Here's a screenshot of the website where you log in. If you have not done so and you're currently enrolled or you're going to be enrolled, click the register button. It'll ask you specific questions to input, and then you can set up your account. Within here, you can see your member ID cards and request new ones or print off temporary cards. You can see your deductible status, your explanation of benefits, and other resources. Your member ID card will look as follows. It'll have the Allied logo on it, and it'll have all the information that your physicians use to submit claims, as well as your pharmacy, etc. Additional member resources for you with the Allstate plan, because there is not a network attached to this plan and you can see whatever provider makes sense for you. Healthcare Blue Book is an additional service that you can access. Just to let you know, if you've not experienced this before, the same procedure can be significantly have different costs at different facilities, even within the same town or even within the same geographic region or just down the block. Every provider, even sometimes just by their location, have a different cost. It could be the same name, but their different locations may have different costs. So Healthcare Blue Book allows you to access their system and discover what facilities are at a fair price, a slightly above fair price, or a high price for specific medical procedures, like in this example on screen, a knee MRI. To access this, you use the company code CORE, and then you can register and access, and it'll help you discover where to get care for the things you need with the best cost, but it'll also give you a quality of care rating. Highly recommended to use that for known upcoming procedure or surgery or hospital stays. Additional member resources, we want to spend a moment of time just going over your explanation of benefits. This is the document that is not a bill, but actually itemizes what you have been billed for services provided, basically your medical claims, and it provides you the information as to what is your patient responsibility. So giving you here, as you see in the highlighted area, what your responsibility is for the care that you received. Now, if you do receive a bill for the same charges after you've paid your patient responsibility, then that's what's called a balance bill, and we want to make sure that you have the information and contact you need to address that and make sure that you're not overpaying for a bill that you've already set up and paid for. So just access the member advocacy program, that team, the 800 number provided there and circled for you. They'll be able to get you in touch and make sure that you're not overpaying for the procedures that you've already experienced. Prescription savings plan. Now, this is separate from your medical insurance plan. It's a benefit that through our partner with 208 Benefits called CleverRx, we want to help you not overpay for your prescriptions. So download our CleverRx mobile app to unlock the exclusive savings. Enter the group ID and the member ID number. You can pause this video right now, click on your phone to get the CleverRx mobile app into the group number so you can experience those savings right away. Speak your name of the prescription you've been prescribed into the app. See the list of pharmacies nearest you for savings. Select your pharmacy of choice, convenience, the savings, your preferred pharmacy, and present that voucher to your pharmacist at the time that you present yourself to pick up that prescription, or present that prescription if it's a hand-delivered prescription. 40% of generic medications are less than $10 using the app. Almost 70% are less than $20. If you're on the HSA plan, there is no prescription coverage. You're paying for that out of your HSA funds until you've met the deductible. So definitely save yourself all the dollars you can. The next benefit is short-term disability. This is your paycheck protection, income protection. So short-term disability should be a part of every financial plan to protect your hard-earned income if you're temporarily unable to work due to an off-the-job injury, illness, or even maternity event. Enrolling in short-term disability insurance provides you a tax-free weekly income benefit to help you and your family meet your everyday living needs as well as your monthly bills. Here's a quick benefit summary, kind of depicting your specific plan options. The income benefit is 60% of your gross income, again paid to in a tax-free weekly benefit. Your benefit wait period, or otherwise referred to as deductible, is 14 days. Basically meaning the first 14 days of the disability event is covered by you, and the benefits would then begin to be payable on the 15th day moving forward. Your benefit duration, how long can you receive that weekly income benefit, is dependent upon you. You have two options. One is an 11-week option per disability event, and option 2 has a 24 weeks. Maternity is different in the benefit duration. Normal delivery is 4 weeks, and cesarean delivery is 6 weeks worth of income benefit. Again, see full details of the benefit and limitations, exclusions on the benefit website. Just to give you an example of how this is going to be seen by you as to how much of a weekly benefit you are eligible for and then how much it costs, you'll see here when you enter the enrollment platform, you'll see your weekly benefit right there for you as soon as you click the button to enroll. Once you do that, you simply scroll down and it'll populate the cost based on your weekly benefit protection and which option you want as far as how long your benefit duration is. As you see here, very affordable to make sure that you have 60% of your income back in your pocket. The next benefit is a life insurance benefit. This is a living benefits plan. Living life insurance policies should also be a part of your financial plan to not only provide a death benefit, but more importantly, to provide you the living benefits when you experience challenging life events, which can include chronic or cognitive conditions, terminal conditions, or need for long-term care, which basically is, as an adult, you cannot perform 2 or more activities of daily living. You need a family member or a licensed care provider to provide that, to help you with those things. So this benefit, it goes beyond just providing a death benefit, but actually provides you the living benefits that are so important. The benefit amount is guaranteed approved for ages 18 to 80 of up to $100,000 in coverage. That is excellent. So regardless of your current health conditions, you can get that guaranteed approved amount. Features include locked rates. So at the age that you purchase the life insurance benefit up to that $100,000, that is going to be your locked-in rates for the lifetime of you owning the policy. The policy does have cash value accumulation. It is also portable, meaning that if you make a job change and or retire, this policy is yours. You simply just pay the insurer directly if you still have premium payments left. Living benefits, which we've reviewed here in the former screen. Chronic conditions is 25% of the death benefit that you've elected, and long-term care actually provides 200% of the death benefit available to you, paid out as monthly benefits. Dependent coverage. You can also provide your spouse the same type of coverage, up to $15,000 of a benefit amount with guaranteed approval, and then up to $25,000 of a benefit amount with answering just 2 simple health questions. Children and grandchildren can also be added to the policy under a term benefit, and then you can provide for either $10,000 or a $20,000 benefit. It's the same cost for every child. Here gives you an idea when you log into the enrollment platform what the cost will be for you as you select different types of coverage. The next plan is the accident policy, also through a surety. What is an accident policy, you may ask? Well, accident policies are designed to pay dollars directly to you for the diagnosis and the treatment of an injury event experienced by you or anybody covered by the policy. The benefits are not impacted by your medical insurance coverage or your short-term disability or any other insurance covering that injury. So here's some examples of payable benefits. You have a minor injury, your first physician visit, they pay you $100 for going in and seeing that doctor. The x-ray, they pay you $200. And if you had some physical therapy due to that knee injury, they're paying you a $60 per visit. We illustrated 3 here. And you get a total claims payout of $480. Now again, paid to you regardless of what your out-of-pocket costs are, even if there are none. Example 2, if there's a major injury, injury sustained from a motor vehicle accident, ambulance, ER, again, x-ray, surgery to repair a lower leg fracture, which is one of the most common injuries suffered in a motor vehicle accident, hospitalization, walking boot, physical therapy, total claims paid out could be over $3,000 and even higher depending on the severity of the injuries and the course of treatment that you need. So again, review the policy, its limitations, exclusions, its additional benefits, and their excellent benefit to have in place for you and your family. So how it works, obviously get the treatment first. Once you've had the treatment, then you provide a claim form and doctor information to the insurer, and they process that and they send you that money via check and direct deposit. Moving forward and a transition over to now dental insurance. Beam is the dental insurance provider. The benefit for you is a calendar year benefit of $1,000 per member enrolled. Preventive services, you pay 0% when you're using in-network providers. That's going to include your routine exams, your cleanings, x-rays. The annual deductible on the plan is $50 per member, a maximum of $150 per family. So if you have 5 members in your family, you're not paying 50 times 5. You're just going to pay the maximum of $150. Basic services, which include your fillings, your sealants, root canals, extractions, minor oral surgeries. The plan covers 80%, you pay 20% within network providers. Major services, your crowns, your bridges, your dentures, again, after you pay your deductible, they cover 50%, you cover 50%. Just remember that those dollars are being extracted from your annual maximum benefit of $1,000 per member. Beam is also the provider for the vision insurance plan, which utilizes the VSP network of vision providers. So your vision plan summary for in-network providers is as follows. Your exams, simple $10 copay. Your lenses, also a $10 copay for your eyeglasses. Your frames for your eyeglasses is a $150 allowance plus a discount off the balance over $150. Contacts are also a $150 allowance. Please note that the benefit for contacts and the benefit for eyeglass lenses are not applicable in the same 12-month period, which is also your access to each of these is you can use these benefits every 12 months. It is based on your initial access date. So if you have enrolled in vision, please use your vision benefits sooner than later so that you can reset your 12 months and get those additional benefits down the road. Well, we've finished off reviewing the benefits. Now just a simple couple quick slides to take you through where to access your benefit information. So we're going to pull over your benefit information website, give you a quick walkthrough of this. So this website provides you more information, including this video, which you can watch on demand anytime, share with your spouse to help you make your decisions. As you come through the benefit website, we're going to be viewing upcoming plans, and you will see the benefit tiles here that show you the information that you need to help you navigate your plan. So when you click on that information, you'll see your health insurance, you'll see your temporary ID cards if you ever need those, your benefit summaries, video on healthcare blue book, claim forms, etc. Everything is right here. Your member login to access your personal information is right there as well. Same here with the dental insurance. You get a video, your benefit summary, search for how to find a dentist, how to use the Beam app video, the downloads for the Beam apps themselves. Phone numbers, email addresses, your group ID number, all information that's helpful for you as you're needing to access your benefits, etc. Prescription drug plan, again, shows you the group and member ID, the downloads for those apps. Video here to show you how to use it. So again, that's where you see all your benefit information. So please do bookmark this website on your phone, on your personal computers, home computers. Make sure your spouse has it as well so that you have access to your benefit information on demand. Your benefit pricing is illustrated here. It's updated to show you what your costs are per paycheck based on the level of coverage that you're looking to have and who you're covering within those plans. When you're ready to enroll in benefits after you reviewed everything, you're now ready to go in and make your decisions. You can watch this how to enroll video as a refresh, or if you're new, obviously watch this, it's very helpful. And then click go to benefits enrollment, and now you're on the benefit website. Your email address is your username. Password obviously is a password you've created. If you've forgotten that, simply click forgot password, enter your email address here and click submit. If you do not receive this link, please check your junk folder. If it's not there, contact your HR to make sure that the email that you're entering in is the same email that they have in your benefit profile. Okay, so that would be your benefit information website to help you throughout the open enrollment process, but also there throughout the year to help you manage your benefits and make sure you have the information you need. Next steps, contact 2A Benefits, that's us, with any benefit or enrollment questions, and then complete your benefit elections online as we just illustrated to you, accessing your benefits website. For the 2023 open enrollment, the benefit completion deadline is March 27th. Hopefully you can get it done sooner than that. The sooner it's done, the easier it is for us to help get everything activated for April 1st. If you are a new employee throughout the next 12 months, April 1st through the end of March 2023 to 2024, your benefits deadline is the 15th of the month prior to your benefits eligible date. Please ask your HR what your benefit eligible date is. Therefore, you know when to get this completed. Contact information right here. It's also on the website. We just thought I'd provide it here if you want to scribble it down in your own notes. Ask us any questions, and thank you, Legacy Wealth Management. We appreciate your continued business throughout each year and look forward to helping everybody make good benefit decisions.